Bullish Spell token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market examiners accept Spell could reach $0 2025. Bearish Spell token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Spell token presentation. Spell token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up guarantee in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi, and different Bend, Arch tokens as security. Abracadabra likewise offers yield cultivating amazing open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate Spell token. The undertaking was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and altogether recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to give you an extensive value expectation of Spell token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of Spell token in the environment, on the off chance that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for Spell payoffs sufficiently long. There will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's absolute worth locked will lessen. To address this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention claimed liquidity, or Paul implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its super durable prudence. Paul permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items without stressing over its liquidity leaking endlessly. Spell token current cost. Spell token is right now worth $0. Spell has moved 2.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $66,209,871. Spell token is right now positioned 284 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $86,781,841 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Spell token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Spell token value forecast 2023. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Spell cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Spell token spell cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Spell will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Spell's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Spell will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell token value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. Spell might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Spell is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Spell token value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Spell token effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, spell will be green in 2026. The spell is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Spell token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, spell has a greatest value worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value expectation 2029. While spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Spell token value expectation 2030. By 2030, spell token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell token value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest spell cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the spell token cost today? Today, spell token is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $86,781,841. Is spell token a wise speculation? Spell token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token might potentially reach $0 year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that spell token might outperform $0. What amount will spell token be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of digital money and spell token, a drawn-out interest in spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will spell token be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into spell token today, similarly as with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of spell might actually ascend to 1 cent inside the following 10 years. What will the spell token cost be in 2024? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the spell token cost be in 2025? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2025. What will the spell token cost be in 2026? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2026. What will the spell token cost be in 2027? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2027. What will the spell token cost be in 2028? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2028. What will the spell token cost be in